Ronel Buwalda, rider number 02. In 9th place, rider 71 from Air 21 team with total time of 11 hours 40 and 33 seconds, Arnel Kerimit. In 8th place, from Team Smart, rider 34 from the Philippines, Oscar Rendole. Oscar Rendole. In 7th place, with a total time of 11 hours, 38 minutes and 56 seconds, also from Team Smart, rider number 3131, the team captain of Team Smart, Joel Calderon. From Team DCM, from the Republic of South Africa, rider number 125, Mr. Jean van Rensburg.
So, lahat na kayo, left side, and then the fourth to third on right side, and the winner,
Okay, Mr. Van Rensburg with a total time of 11 hours 38 and 02. In 5th place, from Team American Video, Irish Valenzuela.
kailan akit na na Irish?
You're doing a 4-leaf clover, I guess. That is 4th place. 5th place, I'm sorry. In 4th place, from Germany, rider number 163, Sasha Damro from Team CCN. With a total time of 11 hours, 36 minutes and 29 seconds. 4th place. Now the top 3. From the Philippines, representing Batang Tagaytay Team Pilipinas, with a total time of 11 hours 36 and 07 seconds, just 6 minutes and 47 seconds behind the leader. Rider number 11 from the Philippines, Valer Rabina from Batang Tagaytay Team Pilipinas. In 2nd place, with a total time of 11 hours 36 and 05, just 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Back from Team Road Bike Philippines 711, rider number 22, Lloyd Lucien Reynante. Also the best Filipino rider.
Gitna.
They also receive a medal and a trophy. Okay, and to stand in between the two is our yellow jersey and champion of the Tour de Filipinas, Pachapinoy 2010 from Team Giant Asia Racing Team with a total time of 11 hours 29 and 20 seconds. From Ireland, from Team Giant McCann, David McCann, rider 141. We also won the first stage from Tagaytay, Batangas and back, and also today's stage from Subic out of the province and back.
Okay, raise those hands.